Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a personality from Nagpur is Haris Prasapati, and is a podcaster. He has been just interacting on podcast with many people, and is very interested. Is very excellent in English language now. Today with us, and is going to share his ideas or his opinion and his philosophy regarding the question is and how one can get success. What is success? What are the ways to reach success? So what is the definition of the success and what are the factors and to reach success? Okay, now Arish Pratap sir, and welcome to my channel, and please interact. What is success and how one can reach success?
Thank you very much. You invited me, and I'm really happy to come once again on your this channel. When we talk about success, we have to understand success is kind of boost up, boost up of energy. Through that, you get satisfactory feeling. This is my opinion and experience. Success has lots of definition. One great personality said, "Success has so many father, but failure is orphan." You know, nobody like failure, and this is a absolute epitome what we would be going to talk now. When we talk about success, we have to take look upon one another aspect that is prominent, but nobody talk. I think, as I said at begin, success has lots of definition, but one of the specific definition I would like to give. Success can be differ. Let's say a person who has been living in slum area, definition of success can be having good food, opening little shop, and running his own life smoothly. If you would ask anyone else who come from lower middle class family or middle class family even, person would tell you, I want to have government job, I want to start my own startup. But on the other hand, you would go to Ambani, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg, any personality, Adani, Tata, they do have their own definition of success, isn't it? They would tell you success is a goal which they had decided earlier, and that's what exact path is being followed by them. This is a third definition which I said you. Now, what I think this is also matter. According to my point of view, in which life you are going through, the time which in you are surviving, just put one step ahead. If you are able to do that, that should be only and only success. Because at a time we can do only and only one thing according to my point of view. Don't enjoy success because success can't be enjoyed. Eventually we are human being, enjoy process. And if you want to know what is real success according to my point of view, I would tell you by giving this guarantee, success is process, nothing more than it, according to my point of view. We have to be a best traveler instead of best successful. So that's what I think about it.
Yes, sir. Actually, according to you, you touched all the factors from beginning to from downtrodden to up to the higher level. I think success doesn't have a definite definition. Actually, success, the definition of success changes from place to place, time to time, and person to person. So we can't say the success particular definition because it has been changing everywhere. Okay, so I think success doesn't have it a destination. It is a journey. But after success, we should not take rest. And if we take rest, many people will pronounce the previous success was just luck. So that reason, we have to keep on moving forward. Whether whatever the success you got, okay, but you shouldn't be quit because winner never quitter and quitter never winner. So we have to focus always forward. Whether you run, whether you walk, whether you creep, whether you crawl, whatever you do, and your focus always in progress and the perfect, always for perfection, always in a for future. So we have to do something and till our last breath. So in this juncture, we can say that success has doesn't have a particular definition, and it changes time to time and the place to place and the person to person. Okay, sir. Okay, many people want to success, but why some people and couldn't get success? Why some people remain as failures? What is the reason for that, sir?
Because people follow crowd, and crowd can't tell you how to walk in proper direction. Let me tell you, everybody has some hidden talent, but they can't proper use of that talent. Why? Because my mom dad told me you have to become a doctor, an engineer, lawyer, professor. There are only certain aspects which we set for ourselves. Now, here is a wonderful thing which we have to understand. If you would make fish climb on a tree, and if you make tiger swim in a river, they both will be failure. So everyone has potential on what they have to work properly. Now the biggest question can be occur here. People don't know how to find their talent. They have been going in a school, they have been going in a colleges, they are working in a company. What they have been doing there? They know very well in which they are good at. Once you come to know in which you are good at, just don't leave that. Even you are not getting success, change the way you are going, but don't change your direction. That day will come when you will meet your destiny and you will be happy. Now, it's all about connecting dots. Are you able to connecting dots? If you are not, try to understand what is missing dot. Once you are able to find what is missing dot and then fix it. Once you would fix it, then who can stop you to not being successful? I don't think so anybody can stop. It's all about analyze yourself. Be good analyzer before becoming good successful person. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And whatever you and believe, whatever you conceive, whatever you think ourselves, no, because our profession, our passion should be one. When your passion is our profession, there will be great success. And we shouldn't content what we have. We have to do something for our progress, for our future. So, and we have to keep on doing something. And success is not in wishing, and it is in doing. Many people they want to get success. They keep on doing. They keep on thinking only. I want success. I want success. So that they spend because of procrastination, because of laziness. They always think that I want success, but never they try to put into practice. That is the main reason.
Last comment I would like to put, and it is a practical comment which I am doing because I don't like to speak on unpractical things which are not practical. So let's say I was in my room and it's winter season. I was thinking to basking sun. I came here, I'm basking sun. It was kind of success for me to get sun. Now there might be a lot of stuff. Sun hasn't arisen. Sun may be arise, but there may be cloud. So there are some things in our life for that we can't do anything else. But we have to try. Once you try, maybe sometime you will get failure, but that mean is not. Maybe if I am not finding sun here, I can go somewhere else. That's exactly what I think about success.
Yes, yes. And one thing. So, and acceptance is important for our life because, and if you're able to invite or if you are ready to acceptance, accept whatever it may be, whether it is good or bad. When you accept whatever happens in your future in our nature, so what will happen? You will have a lot of contentment. So when you are contentment in your life, by accepting what happens in our future or the fate, so it's also one type of success. So whatever it may be, we should be ready to face any problem, to fight with the problem, and we shouldn't be flight from the situation. And we shouldn't try to run away from the situation. We have to face the problem because life is not a better process. It is a battlefield. So we should be like a warrior, but we should not be warrior in our life. So that's also success. So success has different meanings, you know, and can change it by place and person by person, time. Oh, thank you, sir, and thank you for your attending my
Yeah, yeah,
session. And I have
yeah,
given
yeah. And yes, and don't judge anyone, anybody else because of success. As I said at begin, success
yes,
has
yes.
many father, but failure is orphan. It
Oh,
mean is
nice,
not
sir, nice.
somebody. Yeah, it's not somebody else who has got success. That's why he is the right person. Not at all. He may be good at his field. Just try to find out your own path. Thank you very much, sir, for inviting me on this platform.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pradap sir. Okay, thank you. Welcome, sir. Good,
Thanks.
good.